This is a very nice little side dish and it's so quick and easy to prepare. These are endives in France, chicory in England, and they go bitter if you expose them to air because they oxidize. So I've got a little pile of oil. I'm going to cover them in the oil and lay them in the tray. Okay, and work my way quickly through them. That's it. Now I'm going to just put some onion rolled in my greasy hands all over the top. And these are chopped walnuts and they are just being crunched a bit. So they will toast on top. And that will taste really nice. Now, I don't want them burning, so I'm just literally adding a couple of tablespoons of water just to give them something to stop them sticking. Now, this is 175, a fan, centigrade. It's already hot, and I'm just popping those in. And they'll have about 20-25 minutes. Not very long at all, but it's a really nice way to do that particular vegetable, which is in season now. Well, it's been the 25 minutes. You can see they've toasted, they've gone soft, and they will not be bitter. And that is going to go with some sausages stuffed into mushrooms and also some baked potato, and makes a really good supper dish. They have distinctive flavour, juicier without being watery, and the little bits of nuts just work so well with them, don't they? This is really delicious.